Well, the nice part about it is I've got audio running and I get the bonus of having PlayStation in my game room. So I've got the audio console working. I've got my blades fired up. We do have one input. I'm going to have the boys working on the rest of it tomorrow because they need to learn how to build a studio. And I'm just playing with some computers and other stuff so I can switch it back to VGA, and we get our automation system back. So, and this guy here, I'm going to clean up the cabling on him, but eventually we will be running our WideOrbit, basically the exact same system that you'd run in a radio station. So we're going to have basically a full service organization here. That'll give us a chance to, like I said, it's all touchscreen, so if it decides it wants to play. There it is. There's my touchscreen. So we'll be able to have a lot of
The
fun
Mitchell
with
Community Scholarship Fund's 13th annual Radiothon fundraiser is Monday.
I still got some old
The
audio
Mitchell
left
Community
in
Scholarship Fund's 12th
from the old radio station it got taken out of, but yeah, we borrowed it. So we got a good start on a working system. We'll keep working on it until we get something that actually goes together good. I got a microphone, my good old RE20 on the stand, boom arm, whole 9 yards. I'm going to install him a little bit later, but he's going to end up being up on the desk somewhere. But yeah, we'll get him in there. I think I'm going to have to build a pedestal for that guy just to get him up above everything. Put him back in the back. So we're rolling.